Removes plaque with gentle vibrations with Gleem toothbrush handle. Soft, nylon bristles with rounded filaments for a gentle clean. Gleem brush head makes your smile shine. Replace brush head every 3 months. Fits on all Gleem toothbrushes. Gleem toothbrushes strike the perfect balance between form and function, style and substance, and beauty and intelligence. Replace your toothbrush head every 3 months with Gleem replacement brush heads. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement head. These are a perfect replacement for my Gleem brush. They are long-lasting. I am using the old one to do some cleaning. It still has life despite being over the estimated life expectancy. Recommend. Perfect size for my small mouth. Most toothbrushes feel too large for my mouth, but this one is perfect. The bristles aren't too firm or too soft either. It's easy to replace the head.